Somebody get me a coffee!
Oh, I am so glad you are here.
No way. Hey, don't press your luck.
People of Earth, this is one small step for man and one giant step for... forget it.
Hey, get back, get back.
Oh, I guess this must be love. He now may not be embarrassed because he is naked. But I will be. He will have no clothes on. And no clothes on means he will be very embarrassed.
Oh, no. All right. Oh. Sing this. Leave me alone. Hey, maybe this won't be so bad after all. No, stop. No more trying.
Where did my little friend go? Oh. Oh, no, sir, I do not think that is a good idea. Sorry about that. I must do something useful. Wait, not so fast. Not so tight. Breathing is important to me. Oh, Kermie!
Oh, one of those $25 billion bailouts that the government's giving out?
Oh, hello there, this is Kermit the Frog. Now, do you think you can remember next time? Okay, well, that's terrific.
And no matter what happens, no matter what obstacles we face, we never forget one of our own.
I love it when you take charge.
Hey! We left Bunsen and Beaker back at the gas station. Okay, well, from this point on, no matter what happens, we never forget one of our own.
That's right.
I was having a long dream in the midst of disorder. It was ridiculous. Cosmos and I were governing the world together. Laughable, is it not? In that world, I was a god. Your arrogance will be your undoing. The mortal desire for power knows no limit. I can see the weakness in your heart. You are too young to know the abyss.